Hey guys, I will show you the problem of my vortex. When I'm searching on the water and the water is on this level below the control box, the vortex is very noisy. But if I submerge the control box, it's stable again. And then if I go out from the water, it's noisy again. Right now it's stable because the control is away from the water. See, started to have noise. Now if I search this way, it's very noisy. It don't stop beeping. See, very noisy. But if I submerge, now it's stable again. I removed the headphones so that you can hear the sound from the speakers. Now we will go out from the water. It's noisy again. Hear that? But the water gets into the speaker, so I blow it first. You hear that noise? Very noisy. But if we go away from the water, it's stable again. So guys, please let me know if this is common to all the vortex units, or it's only mine, or is it the coil problem? Please let me know.